Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue working in our method book with line 47, Marianne. So we're going to look for patterns. We have 4 lines to get through, but having patterns is what will help us the most. So at the beginning, we have our treble clef, and we also have our key signature. We have 2 flats. B flat on the 3rd line tells us all B's are flat. E flat on the 4th space tells us all E's are flat. And we are in the key of B flat. Then we have our 4/4 time signature. The top number tells us how many beats in each measure, and the bottom number gives us the value of the whole note if we had one. So let's break that down. Half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So all of the half notes and half rests get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. So all of the quarter notes and quarter rests get 1 beat. So now we need to do a little bit of math because hopefully you've noticed we have some tied notes. If I have 2 half notes tied together across a bar line, one half note gets 2 beats, tied to another half note, we're going to hold it for 4 beats. When I have a half note tied to a quarter note, like I do on lines 2 and 4, we hold that note for 3 beats. So now let's look for some patterns. Line 1, we start with half notes. We've got a half note D, thumb, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we switch up to the F. So now we have thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1 and pinky. Down to a B flat, so we just lift these 2 fingers here. And then back to a D. Repeat the D, go to a C, and then hold that E flat with the pinky for 4 counts. Now, if you look, we have almost the exact same thing in line 3, except the first measure is quarter notes instead of 2 half notes. So that makes that a little easier. The second line, let's check that out. We start with a half note C, so first finger and pinky, go up to E flat, play 2 of those on quarters, then down to our A, back up to a C, repeat that C, go to B flat, skip to a D. Hold it for 3 counts. If you compare line 2 with line 4, it's exactly the same until the very last note where you end on a B flat instead of the D. So now I'm going to play all the way through this. I hope you can play along. And I have my metronome set for 100 beats per minute. For all of my notes, I'm going to start with a T sound. And let's get started. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, beginning. And that is it for line 47, Marianne. I hope looking for the patterns was helpful to you. A lot of repetition really helps make music a little easier to digest. I hope you're able to keep up. If not, you can always slow things down. Take it at your pace until you get comfortable. And I hope this helped. We'll see you next time.